So Lean is building the next generation of financial infrastructure to unlock innovation in the Middle East region. Our API-based platform is there to help other fintechs unlock the benefits of a more open and integrated financial ecosystem, whether it's accessing customer bank account data with their permission or being able to initiate payments. Lean is there to kind of support that infrastructure across a variety of use cases. So Lean is building the financial infrastructure that's powering innovation in the Middle East. To date, we've processed billions of dollars of payments for our clients and connected hundreds of thousands of bank accounts with our products. So there's a multitude of trends, but the three I would pick out are increasing kind of certainty around regulation. So for us, that's open banking and open finance regulation. Demographics, an increasingly kind of digital first native kind of population. And finally, governmental directives. So with things like Saudi Vision 2030, initiatives by kind of other governments in the region to really unlock and empower their population. So prior to implementing the account payable solution with Wafeq, this was entirely manual. We would rely on approvals via emails, we would rely on cross-referencing spreadsheets, manually entering details into our online banking portal, and then reconciling this in the accounting system. Sure thing. So scaling as an early stage finance team, certainly in the fintech space, there are a multitude of challenges. Whether it's the ability to kind of stay on top of an increasing load of transactional volumes, whether it's ensuring that there is visibility on our operations, whether it's ensuring that there is sufficient kind of clarity on our financial results. So prior to kind of automating a lot of these things, we were stuck, like many finance teams, in the world of spreadsheets, emails, kind of instant messages. Automation was really the key to unlocking and bringing these systems together, ensuring that we had a single source of truth. Managing multiple entities is a challenge, but a challenge made easier by the tooling and automations that we've put in place. Rather than having to go in one by one, enter multiple details, references, check multiple boxes, this can now be done almost with one click. We upload the invoices, generate a bulk payment instruction, get the approval, and we're good to go.
So at Lean, we always try to automate our processes for efficiency and for savings of time, and Wafeq has helped a lot in achieving that. So one of the examples is our payouts function, which we have taken from Wafeq. So it has helped live integrated with our banks, which has helped us in automating payouts. So earlier what we used to do is we used to go to the bank portals, log in, and add the beneficiaries and make the payments for our UAE and Saudi entities, which was very time consuming. With the payouts function and feature, all we have to do is go to Wafeq, select the bill, make the payment, click on it, all done. And the approver can approve all the payments as one. It has helped us save a lot of time, and the approver can also approve at one go. Next thing which we are talking about is the automation. So Wafeq has really helped us with the accounts payable automation. So earlier, which used to the payments which we used to take like 2-3 hours, now can be done in 10 seconds of time, and at at an ease of work as well.
For us here at Lean, financial compliance is super important, particularly as a regulated company. The Wafeq platform has allowed us to streamline a lot of the reconciliation that needs to happen when it comes to our books, whether it's being able to match account receivables or payables. The Wafeq platform allows us to speed up the reconciliation process. Being able to kind of surface transactions from our bank account in the Wafeq platform and the ability to automatically match them to invoices or kind of purchase orders that have been raised is a super slick way of speeding up that process.
So this has helped us, save our time a lot. And as to the next question, which was what has Wafeq offered us. So Lean, previously we were using other softwares, which were which were not exactly efficient for multi-entity consolidation purposes. So we've got entities in various regions, and one of the problems which we faced was with intercompany and compliances such as VAT. Now Wafeq has that VAT software which can automatically prepare the VAT returns and help us file those very easily. So one of the good features which I like about this is this, and the other one is the reconciliation. So bank reconciliations, for example, we upload the bank statements, we check the amount, and then we reconcile it one by one. Now with Wafeq, the automation, which is an amazing feature and which I like the most, was automatically checking those amounts with the the best estimate, which helps us in reconciling it to the fastest of our time. So another thing which Wafeq has helped us is the reconciliations of our payments. So with some of the softwares I've worked with, I've seen that you need to manually upload the bank statements, reconcile the payments, check the payments and the receivables. With Wafeq, it has been very automation. What Wafeq does is it's intuitive in nature, so it automatically sets out the best matching criteria which you can match against the payment and the receivable.
So as an early stage finance team, we're not often blessed with a lot of resources when it comes to expertise in local accounting laws or tax laws. Wafeq has been exceptionally helpful in this area. Some things are non-negotiable, processes and controls, understanding what the laws and regulations are of the local geographies that we operate in, ensuring that we have systems that can allow us to comply with these regulations, whether it's kind of VAT regulations in Saudi, whether it's withholding tax regulations in other jurisdictions, the ability to have a platform that can allow you to simplify our reporting and compliance requirements in these areas is super important. Wafeq's ability to integrate with that, because the invoicing requirement has been exceptionally helpful in ensuring we comply with local laws and regulations. Expanding into Saudi Arabia has been a key part of Lean's growth story. The ability to comply with local laws and tax regulations has been exceptionally important.
At Lean, we focus very much on our compliances because we have a multi-entity jurisdiction and we have regulated entities as well. So VAT and complying with Zatka regulations in Saudi has been very much important for us, and Wafeq has really helped us in automating that process.
So since fully implementing Wafeq across all of our entities, enabling the account payables workflow and other automations within the platform, we have managed to reduce our month-end close period by 50%. So yeah, look, we've reduced the time it takes us now to ensure our suppliers are paid on time. We are now more confident when we are submitting regulatory and kind of financial returns that these are compliant with.
Wafeq has really helped us streamline our processes and increase the efficiency of our operations. So previously we were using accounting softwares which were unable to encompass with our multi-entity center and foreign exchange and intercompany related things. But with Wafeq, it has been very easy to work with. We have reached efficiency at a greater scale, and I recommend other fintechs as well to explore this software.
So my advice to other fintech teams looking to scale their kind of finance function is don't leave automation too late. The earlier you do it, the better. There is a temptation to allow finance to fester in the background and make do with kind of manual workarounds and workflows, and then you realize it's too late. So my advice would be bring automation in as soon as you can. Build a solid foundation on the basis of automation, so when you are a successful, established business, you have the foundations in place to ensure you are compliant and can move at an acceptable pace for the rest of the organization.